Hello, MBA Global Supply Chain Management is a one-year full-time master's level course at Aberystwyth University, and here are the top reasons to opt for this course. The Professional Masters in Global Supply Chain Management at Aberystwyth Business School focuses on modern global supply chain networks and systems, including logistics, green logistics, and global supply chain systems. Experienced academic professors will also teach you about trending trends in financial analysis, business economics, and leading people and organizations. You can enroll for this program anytime in January and September at Aberystwyth University. You will work on a supply chain management report in the final semester, which is majorly focused on delivering precise value-added improvements within specific business companies. As a student on the Professional Masters program, you will study the latest management theory and acknowledge best practice in areas such as leadership, operations, corporate governance, and sustainability. The program includes coverage of leadership and organizational behavior. The study of financial analysis and decision-making emphasizes the use of financial and accounting data to inform and improve strategic decisions and operations. You will learn about diversified topics such as recruitment and selection, employee motivation and remuneration, organizational culture, and managing change and diversity in employment during class lectures and practical sessions. Looking for more details on this course, or if you are looking for an expert advice directly from the Aberystwyth University, log on to speaktouniversity.com and book an appointment with the university delegate. Follow the link in the description.